Next time I come to Wynwood, I'm just gonna pass by here, have this as a snack, and keep going. Hey, what's up everyone? I hope you're all doing great. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere in my hometown, the 305, Miami, Florida. And today I'm driving to Wynwood to Raw, a healthy food restaurant that focuses on poke bowls, acai bowls, and they have a juice bar. Now what makes this place so special is the presentation of their dishes. They're all super tropical, and it's really the ultimate Instagram foodie spot. Now let's go to Raw. I'm excited. I can't wait to eat a poke bowl. It's one of my favorite things in the world. Let's go. So here we are at Raw, and it's located inside, I think it's called the Wynwood Arcade. All right, here we are, Raw.
Hi, I'm Dustin. I'm the executive chef and partner for Raw. Basically, we are a health restaurant, so we specialize in poke bowls, acai, smoothies, cold pressed juices, and we give back to the Wounded Warrior Project. With poke bowls for sure, avocado toast we do as well with poke, the tostone nachos, and our acai bowls are really, really good, and everything. You're gonna have avocado toast, a poke bowl in a pineapple. You're gonna try one of the smoothies and a cold pressed juice, and acai bowl in a fruit. We're located here at the Wynwood Arcade, so whenever you come to Miami, come see us at Raw.
Okay, so we have two amazing dishes here. We have the tostone nachos. Okay, so what do we have, dude? What is
so
this?
It looks like you have some octopus on top of your tostone nachos.
Okay.
You have jalapenos sprinkled with some nori on top of here. This is our avocado toast with looks like salmon with some with a fried egg on top.
Fried egg. We got like onion strings.
Yeah.
Avocado. He put some kimchi in here to make it a little spicy.
Yep. And then he sprinkled on some edamame.
Oh my god. Okay. Thanks, dude.
Yep.
Let me jump on this. So we got the avocado toast here. I think I'm gonna start with this one because it just looks so amazing. Or no, you know what? Let's start with this one. Oh my god, look at this. Amazing. This is like so good. Tostones. So we got tostones, which are like fried green plantains. We got the octopus, the avocado. Oh my god. Oh wow. What an amazing twist on nachos. Like, seriously, this is so good. It's a little spicy. I love the crunch with the tostones and the octopus. I think you put some like spicy mayo. Oh wow, it's really refreshing as well. This dish is ridiculous. It's like addictive. If you guys been watching my videos, you know I love tostones. This is one of my favorite things from Latin America. Just the mix of flavors and the seafood aspect mixed with the tostone. This is one of the best nachos in Miami for sure. We also have some pineapple in here. Oh. Wow. I can eat this whole thing. Look at this. We got a little bit of spicy mayo. We got the pineapple, the octopus, and the tostone. I mean, I love how they put the tostone as the nacho. That is awesome. Wow. I keep going. It's so good. And I think of the entire place, this is like the only thing that's unhealthy, the fried tostone, but it's so amazing. I think this is worth it. Come here, have some nachos with some friends, then have a toast. Wow. So amazing. I love how refreshing it is with the pineapple. This octopus is so good. I mean, I basically devoured everything. It's just hard because if I eat all the tostones, I won't be able to eat everything else. Next up, got the avocado toast. Look how amazing this is. Avocado, you have salmon, onion strings, fried onion strings, egg, kimchi. Wow, look at that. Look at this beauty right here. It really is just a beautiful avocado toast. So many flavors in here. Come on, I need a few bites. Wow, I've never had an avocado that tastes like the sea. It really has this amazing Pacific Ocean like theme to it. You also have wakame salad, which is like seaweed salad. Oh my god, this is unreal. I love that they threw an egg on top. I can't even believe this. It's like too good. I love the spice on it too. The kimchi, it's not too spicy, it's not overbearing. It's just right. It's basically having a poke bowl on an avocado toast. And then you put some mango on top too. It's like really the ultimate avocado toast. It's like just a great blend of flavors. Spicy, cold, hot, refreshing. And he put some edamame. I really shouldn't eat more, but it's so freaking amazing. Look at that. Look at all that. Doesn't it look like a poke bowl on top of a toast? I mean, I love the creativity here. Like, the chef, he really wanted to do something special with this dish. Oh, this is a must try. Oh, I can't even believe this. Everything here is basically a mix of fruits and like seafood. So the only thing that's unhealthy, as I said before, is probably having the fried tostones, which is fine. I mean, it's nachos. You should probably be splitting with some friends. The two best ingredients on this toast is the kimchi and the egg. It's like, wow. It's like, it's just messing with my palate. It's so amazing. Oh, I'm just gonna take everything from the top. Wow. My God, he just blew my mind with this. All right, here we have the Pineapple Express Acai Bowl. So we have kiwi, banana, strawberries, acai, and then coconut flakes. Dude, this is ridiculous. I love the presentation. The bowl is basically a pineapple. They carve the inside out, then fill it up. If you guys don't know what acai is, it's a berry and it comes from Brazil or like Latin America. I'm pretty sure it's from the Amazon. It's actually one of the best berries in the world. It has a lot of vitamins, nutrients. It's like a superfood. Oh, I love this. This is gonna be so good. Look at that. Oh my God, that was like brain freeze. Actually, a little too cold. And they get a little less, but it's so ridiculous. I love the coconut flakes, the kiwi. What I think is that this is a great snack. So if you're into healthy food, you can go to the gym a lot, come here, have this as a snack right after the gym. It's amazing. I actually try to have this like twice a week at least. So it literally is a snack for me. I mean, I eat this between lunch and dinner. Under it, we have granola. That's what I was missing. I was like, what's missing in here? But granola's on the bottom. There's no better presentation in Miami. You know, presenting your food in fruit just shows how tropical and colorful this is. If you guys don't know, like poke bowls, that comes from like Hawaii. So it's basically diced pieces of tuna. And Dustin the chef, he's from Guam. So it's part of the Marian Islands. Those are like islands between Japan and Hawaii. This is also great for breakfast. We actually have this a lot in Miami. Like people like acai bowls. I'm actually pronouncing it wrong. It's acai. Acai bowls. Obviously it's Portuguese. Oh my God, I'm in love with this thing. I don't want to finish the whole thing. I still have a few things to go, but wow. And great choice in the fruits. I'm all about berries. Berries all day. Look at all this acai right there. It's a beautiful purple fruit. The amazing thing is that I ate 3 things and it's not really filling, you know, because it's super healthy for you. Whenever something's healthy, they're usually lighter. It's beautiful. And it's called the Pineapple Express. Okay, so here we have the poke bowl. This thing looks ridiculous. Salmon and hibachi rice. We got corn. We have wasabi, wasabi peas. We have, I don't know, is the jalapeno? This is like a pepper, Cheeto pepper. Not too hot. The only problem with those peppers is that sometimes, like 1 out of 10 are like extremely spicy. I'm in love with the presentation of this place. Every single dish comes like presented so well in these pineapples. And the secret ingredient here is a soy truffle sauce. Soy truffle. Dude, it's amazing. You can eat like this every day. Every freaking day. That was actually jalapeno right here. Jalapeno, nice and spicy. Oh, the rice is full of the sauce. Soy truffle blend, incredible. I've never had it before. If you guys been following me, you know that my family, my mom's family, comes from Umbria, Italy. And there, it's like truffle heaven. Every single dish has truffle. And the salmon, hibachi are so fresh. Look at that. Just get some of that sauce. Just the flavors are so beautifully mixed. It really feels like a very Asian dish. Good thing they put some jalapenos. I like the spice. It's actually perfect. It's not like overwhelming. The salmon, the hibachi, some corn, some rice, soy truffle sauce. If you guys haven't had a poke bowl, they're really good for you. They're healthy, they're light, they're delicious. You can either have it usually with rice or quinoa. This is something you gotta try. And I recommend when you come here, definitely try this. Get an acai. So get a poke bowl, get an acai bowl. Probably get a juice. And if you want, get the nachos, you want, get the toast. I mean, everything is so good. And the seaweed salad, wakame. This is like Pacific seafood heaven. I love having the fish diced up like this. Focus became a thing here in Miami about 5 years ago. The people in Hawaii have been eating that for centuries. And the wasabi peas, the crunch right there, oh, I can't stop eating it. Oh, the soy truffle sauce is out of this world. It's delicious. It's just a great blend of like Japanese with that truffly feeling. And it's not like overwhelming truffle, it's actually more soy. So good. And here at the bottom of the rice, you have a lot of that sauce. Amazing, like really amazing.
Michael Serta, founder and partner of Ura. We came up with this idea in August 2015. We figured out that I did research on veterans in San Diego when I was in pre-med school. A lot of them didn't have the resources to survive when they came back from war. A lot of them were suffering from mental illness. So I figured if I changed the letter, besides that Ura channel, which is popular in the Marines, Navy, and Army, to do something with healthy foods, all raw, organic, and then also give back to the veterans. So our mission is not only to serve fresh, healthy, and authentic food, but also to give back to the Wounded Warrior Project, which we'll do every Veterans Day, starting in 2019. So everything from poke, acai bowls, smoothies, and fresh juices. What makes us unique is that Dustin is like one of the only Islander guys working at a poke shop in all of Florida. So he's bringing home traditional recipes that you can't find anywhere else. A lot of the sauces, we don't like to share all the secret ingredients, but I think if you come in, you try the nachos, the tacos, the burritos, the avocado toast, drop an egg on it, you'll be left pretty satisfied.
So to end my meal here, I had to go with the juice. Obviously, they also have a juice bar, and I went with the King of Pop, pineapple, orange, pear. This thing is ridiculous. This is like almost like a mimosa, but no alcohol. Oh wow. It's the perfect mix of fruits. It's so good. And this is something super healthy. I personally love fruits. I can drink it all day long. I like to have smoothies every day, especially after I work out. You know, orange juice, but not like supermarket orange juice, like straight. Wow, so next time you're in Miami, come to the Wynwood Arcade in Wynwood. This place is bomb. Ooh, raw. My favorite thing of the day was probably the toast, because the toast was like a poke bowl on top of an avocado toast with hibachi, had wakame salad, had an egg. I mean, the contrast of flavors was just amazing. And yeah, I mean, everything else is awesome too. The nachos, the poke bowl, the acai, and the juice. So next time you're in Miami, come to Ura. You will love it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next travel adventure. This juice is ridiculously good.